So, as the title suggests, this is a video announcement type thing. I am no longer doing review videos. I've decided that it's not where I want this channel, or I never wanted this channel to really do reviews. I just want to take things apart because I enjoy that. But my friend got me to start another channel with him solely for the purpose of doing reviews. So any further reviews I do will be posted on there. I will leave a link in the thing. If any of you choose to come and join and watch us, that would be great, but you don't have to. You can go, or you can do what you want. You're adults. Hopefully you're adults. Do however you want. That said, I'm still going to take things apart because that is what I enjoy the most, is just taking things apart. But there'll be no unboxing, there'll be no product demonstrations, there'll be no like walkthroughs, there'll be no going through anything and any of that stuff. We'll just be having things and taking them apart, and I'll show you them in their insides. There'll be no, well, of course I'll impart my opinion, but like I won't. If it's dog shit, I will say it's dog shit. If it's great, I'll say it's great. There'll be absolutely as unbiased as I can possibly be in that sort of situation. Because, for example, Banggood, our fine purveyor of Chinese stuff, asked if I wanted a new diesel heater to do a review on. So I said, no, my channel's no longer doing reviews, but I'll do a teardown if you want and put a review on the other channel. And surprisingly, Banggood said, yeah, that's fine, just tear it down, do what you want. So I have a diesel heater coming for the next video that there will be no demonstration. I will be opening the box and taking it apart, and then you can form your own opinions and so on and so forth from that. But on the other channel, I will unbox it, set it up, operate it, etc, etc. I won't take it apart on that channel, obviously it'll be over here, and show it in operation and usage and whatnot, and that'll be on the other channel. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, I'm still not well, so videos might be few and far between still, because as I'm standing here doing nothing, my heart rate is currently 130 beats per minute, and all I'm doing is standing talking. So yeah, I'm still not well, but hey, we're here. The workshop is an absolute shithole because I've just been doing things and then throwing stuff in the workshop, but I'm not turning the camera around. It's untidy to the point that I'm embarrassed, and believe me, that's a big untidiness. Yeah, so no more reviews, still making videos, but we're going back to what we started with, which was just taking stuff apart and doing stuff, because I've got stuff to fix. I have a, it might be 25 years old, somebody could probably Google this. I have a Microsoft Digital Sound System 80 as my original speakers, but they have not survived my house move and they no longer make any noise. So I'm going to try soldering the wires directly at the board and see if I can fix that. But I have to say, it's 25 years old and it's still better sound quality than most of the computer speakers you can buy nowadays. So I'd quite like to fix that. I've had it for a long time and I'd like to keep it going a lot longer if that's possible. I've got a few other bits and bobs I need to fix and take apart and do things, and that we'll be doing them on this channel. But as for reviews, reviews are dead on this channel. They are on the other channel. Oh, excuse me, and I'll leave a link to that down below. Should you have any comments, questions, etc, etc, anything like that, leave them down below. I will try my very best to answer them. And as always, thanks for watching.